Hi, it's Brian. Today we're talking about how to become an online course creator and class creator. Make that content in 2024 that will change the lives of others through your efforts, your knowledge, and the creation of your own knowledge project. I'm Brian, and I help people turn their passions into meaningful courses and online classes and hopefully earn money in the process. So today we're talking about really the most important thing we're trying to do, really trying to get a better understanding of what you're trying to do. Listen, stop for a moment and think about really what some of the opportunities are that are out there, and think about your skill set, your experiences, and overall, the things that you understand, maybe the added leverage you understand about an issue really can be a help to others. You don't necessarily have to be the PhD expert in many areas. Quite often, your plain folks commonsensical approach really can make a difference in the lives of others. Let's face it, people need guidance. They need guidance from people who've been there, done that. Next, you're the kind of person who's got success because you've experienced these things. Maybe you're the parent who has helped develop a reading program that's helped your child take their game to the next level. Maybe, just maybe, you're a teenage parent or you survived the teenage years of parenting and you really do have some ideas that can help other people manage their teens. Maybe you are the adult who has elderly parents or elderly neighbors that you've helped guide through the various hoop jumping that's involved with Medicaid, Medicare, Social Security, and estate planning. These are very, very real things that are out there. And so what I'm going to do today is take a few simple ideas and allow you the opportunity to just kind of dig down just a little bit more and see where some of your expertise may lie. What I did was something very simple. I took a few different topics that I Googled, and very simply, I looked at problems that people have. And so, what do I have here are some different types of topics for you to explore. I'm not saying these are your course topics, but I want to give you a better understanding of maybe how to get a better idea of what you want to teach, what expertise you offer, and understanding people's pain points. Because in many points, the pain point is really the thing that matters most. What you're doing is you're taking somebody else's problem that you know how to solve and creating a course on it. The more painful the experience, the more practical experience, the more willingly people will take a look at what you have to offer. For instance, my first slide here shows top 10 parenting problems. Now, many of you are saying simple things like teaching financial responsibility to children. Others might be saying, hey, how do I get my kid into a routine? Maybe some of the other basic things are, hey, how do I teach my kids the basic quantities of being a good citizen, being the type of kid who helps out around the house? How do I better lead my child and better explore the various opportunities that are out there for them? These are all very, very real things. What do you have as a parent? How have you raised your child to help others in this process? There's a course and there's a class idea right there. Slide number 2 I'm sharing with you is another hot topic that's out there. Common marriage problems. And the fact is, marriages throughout the world do have many, many pressure points, right? And listen, it's a wonderful institution, but it can be challenging. What do you have to offer that can help people have a better marriage? What have you learned? What have you experienced? How have you changed as a person? And how can you encourage other people to have a better marriage through your life experiences? We all know some of the top topics inside marriages are infidelity. They tend to be trust issues. They tend to feel whether or not money, finances, etc., kids, sometimes remarriages and new kids all come into the play of things. If you've experienced that, maybe you've gone through counseling, maybe you can give advice that helps people move their game along. Those are wonderful course topics. Let me share some other things with you. I have another search I did which was called Habits of Successful People. We all have 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week. Why is it that some people go on to do amazing things with their time and energy and others don't? What can you offer others to give that additional inspiration? What key insights do you have that can help someone take their game to the next level? Whether it's time management, maybe it's better sleep, maybe it's better exercise, maybe it's reading books or finding the right places to hang out where you have the right type of encouragement around you. Maybe it's something even more simple than that, taking a closer look at the types of habits people have and what habits you have that can help inspire others to become a better version of themselves. Finally, the last slide I had was just a slide of hobbies. Now, if you think about it for a minute, both men and women need their hobbies. The fact is, you may offer a hobby that people need help with. For instance, one fellow I knew had a wood carving business, an amazing wood carver, and he would only work with 1, 2, or 3 students at a time. The fact is, there were doctors, there were lawyers, there were high-end people who wanted to learn the precision of wood carving, how to make animals, how to make figurines out of wood. So he would be the ideal candidate for creating an online course, teaching people what he knows, a knowledge-based business. My name is Brian. I help people learn how to become online course creators and online class creators in 2024. If you would like additional information, we have some community pages involved. Go ahead, hit subscribe, hit the like button, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.